Want ChatGPT to respond with a more skeptical and sharp tone? Here how to switch it to cynical mode on your Samsung Galaxy A56. First, open the ChatGPT. Tap the menu icon to open the sidebar. Tap your profile name at the bottom. Select Personalization. Then tap Paste Style and Tone. From the list of the options, choose Cynical. When selected, ChatGPT will respond with a more skeptical and critical style. You may notice sharper observations, subtle sarcasm, and more questioning of assumptions. This tone can be useful for critical thinking, debate practice, opinion analysis, or when you want a more challenging perspective. If you prefer a more natural or friendly tone later, you can return to the same menu and switch it anytime. That's it, your ChatGPT is now set to cynical mode on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Okay, to save, tap check icon. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.